Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are working in my story album 6x8 size, and we are doing 3 layouts, 6x8, new album, right? Because we finished the last one. Hopefully by the time this one is going up, the flip through should be up. So yeah, we have, these were the last, that was the last video up. Yes, so we are in a new edition, so that's fun. And yes, I'm scrapping 2 summer stories still, and then we're starting to get into the fall. I do believe I am using a ColorCast Designs, gosh, I'm losing my thought. Acrylic title pieces for all 3 of them. I do subscribe to her monthly kit, and I definitely want to use this product and not have it like sit in my stash. I have become quite the fan of having a large photo and a nice big bold title. So that's where we're at so far. So I like this sweet treat for that one. Fresh air for these somehow with this paper. I got to figure that out. And then for the fall one, oh, and the little inside piece is somewhere. Where is the other one? Okay, there it is. So she always sends the, the inside parts to like the A's and the R's and stuff that have that little cutout from time to time. So yeah, I definitely want to not get behind on using my ColorCast design elements, so I have to keep an eye out. I have to take a picture. I have sweater weather and pumpkin spice leather to use still, and then I have that big, you saw the big fall shenanigans, which I think would be great on a 12x12, so may need to save that for some fun photo from one of our trips to something right now. And then I have the leaves, and then Awesome Day was part of the kit too. Probably can add a little leaf to this one. Yes, I can. So let's get started putting these 3 together, and that way we are rock and rolling. And then I have, like, my side of my desk is ready to go. I have like a story to tell, 2 stories ready to go in here for my school year album, one about the book fair and one about the, 3 stories. So the cool jacket that I made, if you follow me on Instagram, I made a reel about making this big like letter jacket that she'll fit into when she graduates, and then her school photos have already come in too for the year. And then I have a story for my Me, Myself, and I book, or All About Me book. I was recently on a podcast with the Simple Scrapper, so this was the photo I took just afterwards. And I had all my, like, is it my notes? Yeah, that my notes were typed out to like her questions and stuff. So I'm going to longhand that out as well. And then just papers that I've pulled that I just want to use. Yeah, So I was pulling out this. I was like, oh, I got to use this. So yeah, we got projects. We have a day of scrapping. So let's get started with these 3 first. Okay, so let's get started on these layouts. These are 3 simple layouts, but the simplicity I'm in love with. And I think that's what definitely is my groove right now when it comes to 6x8. I keep these on the rather simple side, and I'm okay with that because when I have the time and I can do a beautiful 12x12 layout, they are just as enjoyed as making these. So for this one, the ice cream truck actually came to our neighborhood, and Valentina picked this cotton candy marbled popsicle. So I'm scrapping that and using this gorgeous acrylic piece from ColorCast Designs. I will leave it linked down below. I do subscribe to their monthly kit, and I'm so glad that I have. I think I'm into like month 3 or 4 right now, and they're absolutely fun to work with. Then these pictures are from our annual like football montage video I do for Miguel and his friends and family for his fantasy football drafts. So I usually do a montage of Valentina like running with the ball and kicking a football and, running with Maui in the backyard with the football. And this was like right before I shot that video clip. I do it every year. If you follow me on Instagram, you can see the little reel that I made for it that the family gets to see. And I've done it every year for the last 3 or 4 years, so it's fun to watch her grow up. And then unfortunately, I did lose the footage to the 3rd one where I'm using I think it says I Love Fall piece from ColorCast Designs, and it's the sunflower photo. So I made a tag So I made a tag out of pattern paper and then put the ColorCast element on top of it and made it into a flip where another photo was underneath and my journaling. So I'm sorry I lost the footage to making that one, but these two are rather simple. It's one full page photo with the ice cream treat and then a pocket page on the opposite side, and then these two are just half columns, pretty much like a 3 by 8 1/4 for this quick and easy layout. Okay, that will wrap up these 3 layouts. So I've already put them in my album on where they're going to get, like, you know, kissed back to back. So it's on the back side of this one for this one. Then I'll have an opportunity to do something here on the back side of this gorgeous one. And how I closed it was machine stitched it with silver thread. That's that little seam right there. And then I have other ones coming up that I'm planning, and then this one will be here. So there'll be an opportunity there, and then this one flips up to show some journaling and one more photo from that visit. And I made the little leaf a little tabby area right there, so that's cute too. So yeah, thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. Give this video a thumbs up, and until next time, everyone, bye.